Vinga, cridem el jurat sobre l'escenari, sisplau. Neus, Johnny, Teo, David, Edu. Fort aplaudiment. Johnny. Italiani? Dove sono gli italiani? Eccoli. La Tanzela. Di Teo, eccolo. Va Johnny, dai, ecco. Bravissimo, forte applauso. Johnny, Edu, David, Teo i Neus. Non è stato un lavoro facile, non ha sigut gens fàcil aquest any. I res, què? Ha arribat el moment, no?
Okay, let's begin, shall we? Okay, we always announce the best music first before we start the third place, second place, first place. And as Paul said before we started, tonight there's another special award to the group that the jury and we all consider have a very good attitude. Just something special about their attitude that brings a great addition to the contest. And tonight, surprisingly, the same group that I chose for the best song, the song I like the most, and the best attitude coincided with the same group. You understand? Did I explain that well? Deia, jo deia que cada any comencem amb la millor cançó i aquest any també tenim un altre premi important que és un grup que mostra una actitud exemplar i que considerem aporta una mica més de cara de sorra al concurs. I aquest primer any donant aquest premi d'actitud ha coincidit plenament just amb el mateix grup que jo he triat per la millor cançó. O sigui que són un guanyador per doble en aquest sentit, ok? Ara en un altre idioma no deixo córrer. Anyway, so, the winner of the Best Music and the Exemplary Attitude Award goes to the Wild Buffaloes. Here they come all the way from Budapest. Què millor per celebrar que una ampolla de cava i uns polverons. I aquest donava voltes amb un bol amb gummy bears xupats amb vodka, A veure si fica l'ampolla de cava dintre els polverons. Mira quina rialla que té, mira quina rialla que té. Una foto. Okay, let's move on to the third prize tonight. Let me just say the first, third, and second prize, all three prizes, get a ham, get a pernil, get a jamón aquesta nit, sí. Tirem la casa per la ventana. Okay. Third place group. Very difficult decision tonight. Very difficult decision for all the groups. But tonight, the jury has decided, the expert opinion of our expert jury has decided. Super, incredibly expert jurat. that the number 3 group tonight, the third prize and this year's 16th country line dance competition in Ilbarn, November 30th, 2024. The 20th year we've been open. The prize goes to Bad Unicorn Riders, all the way from Switzerland. Come on up, Fabian and company.
To the riverbank, she ain't no memory I can just wash away. 'Cause I've been trying to getting over her, and if I'm ever gonna get there, it's gonna take a whole lot more than a prayer. Come on. Jesus, Jesus, I don't mean no disrespect, forgive me. That devil must have put her in that red dress just to kill me. I'd go through hell and back just to get her back again. In your name, amen. This ain't no take my heart to the riverbank. She ain't no memory I can just wash away. 'Cause I've been trying to getting over her, and if I'm ever gonna get there, it's gonna take a whole lot more than a prayer. A whole lot more than a prayer. A whole lot more than a prayer. And I know you heal the blind, but I don't think that's gonna.
Okay. Second prize. We also have a ham, a nice ham for them. But we also could throw a bottle of wine in to wash the ham down with it. By the way, it's not just a ham. There's also a chorizo ibérico and salchichon. Ojo, ojo. As Nels would say, ojo, 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 ojo. Okay, here we go. Number 2. The number 2 prize, second prize award. 16th annual Country Catalan Line Dance Contest in Ilbarn and Greg 2024 goes to Lightning in the Dark.
I got flaws with even when I don't love you. I do, I do, I do, I do. You don't make it easy to, but I do, I do, I do, I do. We give and we take and we fight, but we find a way to stay. Even when I don't love you, I do. Oh, I do.
We get mad at the things that just don't matter. Midnight laughter erases everything. Yeah,
We got issues, and they ain't going nowhere.
Prosciutto.
And I got wins I'd proudly lose.
if it stops me losing you.
Even when I don't love you, I do, I do, I do, I do. You don't make it easy to, but I
And now, the first prize. The decision of our expert jury, Johnny, Edu, David, Teo, Ineos, in their expert opinion. Years of experience on the dance floors all around Europe and farther have decided that this year's first prize, the 16th annual Catalan country line dance competition. Saturday, 30th of November. Twins on fire!
I woke up hurting in my shirt and jeans from the night before. My phone and my ears were ringing.
Sí, sí.
'Cause we were downtown, bouncing around from door to door. There ain't a song I wasn't singing. From the DJs on the 2s and 4s to the honky-tonk on the hardwood floors. I was out throwing down in the middle of a crowd when a boy in the band broke a bow out. I'm just like
Yeah.
I was raised on the radio. From Memphis Blues
Woo!
to a Hollywood rock and roll. Took a trip to Music City. Brought a little bit of everything with me. A little bit of bass, 808s, a little bit of clap your
Avui porten uns pernils bessons, a més i més, ja ho veu. Un pernil per cada bessó.
City from 03 in a Mustang.
Twin hams tonight.
Never knew what was coming, so I can't help to be R&B with a touch of twang. Air guitars and dashboard drumming. Hey, I'm just like you. I was raised on the radio. From Memphis blues to a Hollywood rock and roll. Took a trip to Music City. Certain jeans from the night before. My phone and my ears were ringing. 'Cause we were downtown, bouncing around from door to door. There ain't a song I wasn't singing. From the DJs on the 2s and 4s to the honky-tonk on the hardwood floors. I was out throwing down in the middle of a crowd when a boy in the band broke a bow out. I'm just like you. I was raised on the radio. Little bit of clap your hands, a little bit of six strings on the backbeat, a little fiddle in the band. I'm like a varsity from 03 in a Mustang. You never knew what was coming, so I can't help to be on me with a touch of twang. Air guitars and dashboard drumming. Little bit of clap your hands, a little bit of six strings on backbeat, fiddle in the band. From the DJs on the 2s and 4s to the honky-tonk on the hardwood floors, from the first song to the encore. I'm just like you. I was raised on the radio. A little bit of bass, 808s, a little bit of clap your hands, a little bit of six strings on bass, fiddle in the band. With a fiddle in the band.
Twins on fire.